Hi everyone, and in this video we're just going to show how we can fix this error. This error happens when you are trying to use a map on your visualization in order to draw up your data, and as you do that you will get this error message. So let's fix this. Now to fix this, we'll just click on close to close that, and we'll go to file, we'll click on file, and then we'll go on to options, click on options, and then you will go onto the security. Another security, you will see custom visualization. If you scroll down, you will see this option, map and fill visuals. Use map and fill visuals. You'll need to tick this, and then you'll need to click on OK. Once you do that, I would suggest you to close this and reopen your Power BI desktop to try again. So let me do that. Let me just close this, input my sample data. Alright, so I have restarted my Power BI desktop, and let me re-import my country, and it's loading, as you can see, and it is now showing the data set. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, please do consider subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.